Okay, this is our new printed tool. It's a bolt block tool. It's also made with carbon fiber. This has one specific purpose, and it's to put an extractor in the bolts that have the lever style extractor. These lever style extractors have been out for like 15 years now. So don't let anybody tell you, oh, it's different from my old bolt. They all work. So these are the better extractor rather than the pin style. Now the M11 always had some type of lever, but the Mac 10s have the lever style, and it's a better extractor. So anyway, the reason for this tool is to help you get your extractor in. If you remove it to replace it, I'm going to show you that it's out. I got my pin started, so I just held my pin and started the pin. To get the extractor in, you need a little bit of grease because the spring won't stay into the extractor normally without it. Get your extractor in place. And then I use a punch, a tool, to get that held in place. And then you can get it started through your extractor, get rid of your pin. You take your bolt block and you're just going to set the pin over the hole. And using a pin punch, you're going to drive your extractor pin in. That's the end. So it holds it at the appropriate angle for you to drive your pin in or out. Mac 10, it does exactly the same thing. So if you need to drive out your pin, make sure this hole is over this one and drive your pin out. Now, just in case you miss, as you can see on this one, I made the extra hole by not lining it up by accident. It's still very forgiving. It made a dent. I lifted it up to check. Oh, I missed the hole. I lined it up and I pushed it out. But anyway, that's what this bolt block is for.